In Scientist Factory, we have these beads that we are very fond of. They are sensitive to ultraviolet light, so if you take them out in the sunshine, they get bright colors. And it's very interesting to use these beads to make children aware of that there is some invisible radiation that has strong effects, although we can't see it. And we suggest that you start with these beads indoors and ask your student to make a bracelet each by putting 10 beads on a piece of cotton string. And they start by making a big knot in one end, and then they can add 10 beads and make a new knot in the other end. And when they have completed this bracelet, they can walk around in the room you are and see if something's happening with the beads. And if it's a sunny day and they get close to the window, they will most probably see that they get a pale color. And that should make them curious, and it's natural to walk outside and they will immediately get a bright color. And then what's happening here? What's going on? What makes them change color? And maybe they have different ideas. Maybe they think it's the heat, temperature change, or whatever. But make them explore, and they will realize that if they go back inside, the pearls will quite soon become pale again. And also if they put them in the pocket, they will become pale, etc. And when they have played a little bit with the pearls, you can ask them what is it in sunlight that is not in lamplight, and help them to realize that there is some invisible radiation in the sun, from the sun, that we call ultraviolet light. And when this light hits the pearls, there is actually a molecule in the pearl that changes shape. Maybe it looks like this, and when the radiation hits, it turns like this, and this gives this molecule a color. And when you take it indoor again, there is not enough energy in room temperature to make it turn back to the original color. That is making the pearls white again. But actually, if you put the colored pearls on ice, there is not enough energy to make this molecule do this twist, and the pearls retain their color also indoor for a very long time. So let them explore, and then you may summarize and discuss a little bit what should we actually know about ultraviolet light. Why is it important to have some knowledge? First of all, ultraviolet light is actually very healthy for us, because when our skin is radiated with this radiation, we produce vitamin D, which is very healthy. However, if we get the sunburn and we get too much of this radiation, our skin is damaged, and also our DNA in the skin cells can be damaged, and this can lead to skin cancer many years later. So we need some sunshine, but not too much. And therefore it's important with protective clothes and sunscreen if we are out for a long time in the sun. And this is particularly important for people with light skin tone. So good luck.